Welcome back to LTEC Let's Talk English Conversation. This is Gulam Sarawar Shuman. You are watching me in my video. And today, in this episode, I'm going to speak about a very important topic. The topic is Modal Auxiliary. M-O-D-A-L. Modal Auxiliary. So what is Modal Auxiliary? Modal Auxiliary is the fourth part of auxiliary verb. That means auxiliary verb can be classified into four parts. Number one, be verb. Number two, do verb. Number three, have verb. And number four, modal auxiliary. And modal auxiliary can be classified into two important class. Number one, future in present, and number two, future in past. What is future in present? The example of future in present are: number one, shall. Number two, will. Number three, can. Number four, may. Shall, will, can, may are the examples of future in present. If you want to know what is the future in past, so you can convert the four example as a future in past. How? Future in present, may. Future in present, shall. Future in past, should. Future in present, will. Future in past, would. Future in present, can. And future in past, could. So we can have an example like: I will go to school. I would go to school. I shall do it. I should do it. I can go there. I could go there. I may be informed. I might be informed. So this is the distinction between future in present and future in past. There is another two verb, must and need. Need, needed, but must, which has not any classification. Both must is future in past and also future in present. That means you can use must as a future in present and also future in past. So this is the distinguish and different and use in your speaking. Modal auxiliary, M-O-D-A-L. So here is the end of this video. Please like this video. Please subscribe. And also share this video to your everywhere so that they can learn something from this video. Bye bye. Tata.